हेलो लर्नर्स, आपके फेवरेट डिजिटल लर्निंग प्लेटफॉर्म अनफोल्ड यू पे आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं दिलप्रीत, आपकी मैथमेटिक्स मेंटोर। चलिए शुरू करते हैं हमारा आज का टॉपिक जो है नेचुरल नंबर्स एंड होल नंबर्स। In this tutorial we are going to learn natural numbers, whole numbers, representation of numbers on the number line and let's revise. So let's start one by one. Suppose I have 9 chocolates और मैंने अपने छोटे भाई से पूछा कि बताओ ये कितनी चॉकलेट्स हैं, तो उसने काउंट करना शुरू किया। उसने स्टार्ट किया 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड सो ऑन। तो उसने ये काउंट कैसे स्टार्ट किया? उसने 1 से काउंट करना स्टार्ट किया। कैसे? नेचुरली। That's why these numbers are known as natural numbers, यानी कि प्राकृतिक संख्याएं। So the numbers which start with 1 and move so on, like counting 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, are also called as counting numbers. We can count everything in our day-to-day life with the help of natural numbers. जैसे कि यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारी sheep दिख रही होंगी। We can count them using natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the total number of sheep is 8. Now the question arises that what is the count of natural numbers? मतलब natural numbers का total count कितना है? Natural numbers just go on like 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity, where infinity is the very very big number which we cannot count, मतलब जहाँ तक हम पहुँच ही नहीं सकते। Infinity represents something that is boundless or endless or else something that is larger than any natural number. So what is the smallest natural number? जैसे कि हमने काउंट करते वक्त देखा कि काउंटिंग 1 से ही स्टार्ट हो रही है, so we know that 1 is the smallest natural number. And what will be the largest natural number? We cannot think of the largest natural number as it is infinite, the number we don't know. Now we have numbers 1 onwards, like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, 8 and 9. What occurs after 9? और हमें पता है कि 1 के बाद 2 आता है, पर 1 से पहले क्या आता है? चलिए ढूंढते हैं। एक स्टोरी है कि डेविड के पास 2 शीप हैं। मौसम बहुत खराब था और एकदम से लाइटनिंग हुई और दोनों शीप डर के भाग गई। कितने शीप हैं अब उसके पास? जैसे कि डेविड के पास 2 ही शीप थी, तो अब उसके पास कोई भी शीप नहीं है। This results in the invention of zero, which gives us the count of nothing, और उन चीजों का काउंट जो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करती। India added zero to mathematics, which eventually completes our counting, because now our numbers become this, which is meant to be complete now because with the help of zero, we can move ahead of 9, which is the number 10. And one more thing, that zero is discovered by great Aryabhatta in India. So the numbers which start with 0 and move like 1, 2, 3 and so on are known as whole numbers. And याद रखने के लिए हम इसके नाम से याद रखेंगे, जो कि है पूर्ण संख्याएं। मतलब अब ये numbers complete हो चुके हैं to form other numbers. Number line is a line on which numbers are marked at intervals, used to illustrate simple numerical operations. Taking all the numbers together in an ascending order on a horizontal line and placing them like this. ये है representation natural numbers की एक number line पे. If we pick 0 and place it along with the other numbers, we get the representation of whole numbers on the number line. Given any natural number, you can add 1 to that number and get the next number. That is, you get its successor. The successor of 16 is 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. And that of 19 is 19 plus 1 is equal to 20. And so on. The number 16 comes before 17. We can say that the predecessor of 17 is 17 minus 1 is equal to 16. And the predecessor of 20 is 20 minus 1 is equal to 19 and so on. Now here on our number line हमें ये बात पता होनी चाहिए कि इस तरफ जाते हुए नंबर्स इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 के राइट में जो भी नंबर्स आ रहे हैं वो 1 से बड़े हैं, या 7 से लेफ्ट साइड में जो भी नंबर्स आ रहे हैं वो 7 से छोटे हैं। We can easily say that 7 is greater than 4 and 3 is less than 9. We can also find the distance between two numbers on the number line. Like अगर हमें 2 and 4 के बीच का डिस्टेंस निकालना है तो हम ये देखकर बता सकते हैं कि 2 and 4 के बीच में 2 ही यूनिट्स का डिफरेंस है। ऐसे ही आप किसी भी दो नंबर्स के बीच का डिस्टेंस निकाल सकते हैं। So we have completed the introduction of natural numbers and whole numbers. So let's revise some questions. So the first question is, are all the whole numbers natural numbers? The answer is no. All the whole numbers are not natural numbers, but all the natural numbers are whole numbers. The second question is, on the number line, can you tell that what is the relation between 7 and 5? The answer is, the relation between 7 and 5 is 7 is greater than 5, because 7 lies right to the 5. The next question is there any natural number that has no predecessor? The answer is yes. 1 is a natural number which has no predecessor. The next question is, what is the distance between 10 and 20 on the number line? The answer is, while placing these numbers on the number line, we can see that there are 10 units between 10 and 20. So the distance between 10 and 20 is 10 units. So that was all in this chapter. See you all in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you.